Is the chicken a dinosaur?
Look at these dinosaurs! They have long horns and a bone shield around their necks.
Wow, amazing! I think I saw one dinosaur.
Really? Where?
In the woods nearby.
Whoa! Look! Here it shows which footprints the dinosaurs have. Let's go and search, my friend.
Yeah!
Look! There are many different footprints on the path.
We need to figure out which ones belong to the dinosaur. This is where the dinosaur footprints lead.
Great! We will find it very soon. Hello, Mrs. Chicken.
Hi, guys. Could you please tell us where the dinosaur went? Did he swim down the river?
What? The only dinosaur I've seen here right now is me.
What a dinosaur you are.
Not funny. In fact, I am a true descendant of dinosaurs. My great.
Wait, is it true?
Well, of course. Once upon a time, so long ago, dinosaurs lived. They were big and strong, and now their different ancestors live on the planet. I descended from the Tyrannosaurus itself. Crocodiles from Archosaurs, and turtles lived even before the dinosaurs and have survived to these days.
Thanks, Mrs. Chicken. It was very interesting.
And we even found a dinosaur.